Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its interesting calculation and quick exchange speed have made it quite possibly of the most famous advanced cash out there. Many individuals are thinking about what's in store for torrential slide and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what torrential slide is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our Avax coin cost expectation. If it's not too much trouble, recall that our cost expectations don't comprise speculation. Counsel consistently do your own examination prior to trading any digital forms of money. What is torrential slide? Avax, fueled by the coordinated non-cyclic diagram streamlined agreement instrument that works with quick exchange speed and versatility. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage that empowers anybody to make, run, and oversee decentralized finance applications. Torrential slide additionally has its own local token called Avax. There are multiple ways for Avax holders to acquire rewards, for example, giving liquidity to the organization. The more Avax tokens you hold, the higher your prizes will be. As well as holding Avax, you can likewise procure prizes by running a validator hub, or marking your tokens in one of Torrential Slide's numerous dApps. Torrential Slide utilizes a decentralized independent association (DAO) to decentralize power and come to conclusions about the organization. This DAO is comprised of Avax token holders who can decide on proposition that will influence the organization. Torrential Slide is fairly extraordinary in that its center stage really comprises of three distinct blockchains: the trade chain, X chain, the stage chain, P chain, and the agreement chain, C chain. Every one of them have unmistakable capabilities and purposes, yet are completely interoperable, which permits the Torrential Slide organization to amplify its productivity, speed, and versatility. Torrential Slide specialized investigation. The Torrential Slide digital currency answers all around well to drift changes, meaning it will in general move in a similar course as the remainder of the crypto market. Avax has likewise shown that it has both mooning potential and important help to ascend back up again in any event when the circumstances are difficult. To wrap things up, the coin's market cap is areas of strength for genuinely. At the hour of compassing, Avax was inside the best 20 digital currencies on CoinMarketCap. Generally speaking, these things highlight a long-haul bullish as opposed to a negative pattern for Torrential Slide. Concerning the momentary Avax cost conjecture, kindly glance at the gadget underneath. Refreshed progressively based on different pointers, for example, moving midpoints and the overall strength record. It exemplifies the after effect of Torrential Slide's specialized examination performed by TradingView. Assuming the outcome is purchase, that implies Avax is probably going to ascend from here on out. On the off chance that it's sell, the coin's cost might decline soon. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Torrential Slide costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Torrential Slide will be $21.73. The greatest level that the Avax cost can reach is $25.65. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $22.38. Possible return for money invested: 60.1% by Avax value figure for WAC 2023. In view of the value changes of Torrential Slide toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Avax pace of $17.16 in WAC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $15.53 and at $17.65 separately. Likely return for money invested: 10.2% by April 2023. Torrential Slide value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Avax cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $17.03, while the greatest could reach $18.34 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Torrential Slide may be around $17.85. Possible return for money invested: 14.5% by Avax value figure for May 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value vacillations of Torrential Slide in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Avax rate they anticipate may be around $18.20 in May 2023. It can drop to $17.55 as a base. The greatest worth may be $19.05. Expected return for money invested: 18.9% by June 2023. Torrential Slide value figure around mid-year 2023. The Avax cost will be exchanged at $18.93 overall. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion and the Torrential Slide worth to $19.78. it is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $18.28 in June 2023. Expected return for money invested, 23.5% by Avax value figure for July 2023. Crypto specialists have examined torrential slide costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023, $19.31. The least and pinnacle Avax rates may be $18.66 and $20.54. Likely return on initial capital investment, 28.2% by August 2023. Torrential slide value figure. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Avax cost will be around $19.89. In August 2023, the torrential slide cost might drop to at least $19.07. The normal pinnacle worth may be $21.50 in August 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 34.2% by Avax value conjecture for September 2023. Having broke down torrential slide costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Avax rate could arrive at a limit of $22.50 in September 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $19.63. For September 2023, the anticipated normal of torrential slide is almost $20.29. Expected return for money invested, 40.4% by October 2023. Torrential slide value conjecture. Around mid-2023, the torrential slide cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $21.10. Crypto experts expect that in October 2023, the Avax cost could vary somewhere in the range of $20.44 and $23.51. Likely return for capital invested, 46.8% by Avax value gauge for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the torrential slide worth won't dip under at least $20.91. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $24.56. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $21.73. Expected return for capital invested, 53.3% by December 2023. Torrential slide value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Avax costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of torrential slide will be around $25.65, with a chance of dropping to at least $21.73. In December 2023, the normal expense will be $22.38. Likely return on initial capital investment, 60.1% by torrential slide value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of torrential slide in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost